So what kind of house can you get for 500,000 George Washingtons in the capital of Minnesota? Hi, I'm Ambrosia with Equity Recipe. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about homes in St. Paul. According to Kiplinger, Twin Cities housing prices are smack dab in the middle of the national average. But given how much the cities has to offer, that is super great news for you guys who are looking at St. Paul. So I'm going to show you guys a few of those houses that are for sale right now, that haven't taken an offer, that are not pending, so stay tuned. The first house that I want to show you guys that you can buy around $500,000 in St. Paul right now is 1057 Linwood Avenue at $495,000. It's actually in the Summit Hill neighborhood. It's a bungalow design, so it's super cute, you guys. Not too big, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with so much original woodwork, and it's right next to the St. Paul Tennis Club. The second property we want to show you guys today that you can buy for around $500,000 is on the Mississippi River, literally on the Mississippi River, right across from Harriet Island. And it's actually at the Upper Landing, which is a high-rise condo that was built in 2004. There's multiple of them. This is the one to check out in this price range. And on to the final house. So now we're at a Ramsey Hill condo that you can actually buy for $500,000 in St. Paul. So at this price point, it's actually something that you can build equity. It's not maxed out. It has even more to offer if one was ready to gain some equity. So this property actually has some space that could be converted and you can have more finished square feet. So at this price point, it's actually something that you can build equity. It's not maxed out. If a property like one of these sounds like a great fit for you or a friend, or you just kind of want to know a little bit more about them or about one of the neighborhoods they're in, let me buy you some coffee. Now, just not any coffee, you guys, in St. Paul, but let's go to one of the best spots in St. Paul in this neighborhood. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to talk to you soon.